our schedule. Adamson, Arellano in the first game on Sunday here at the arena. LaSalle Ateneo face each other, and this is LaSalle Das Marinas. But the LaSalle Das Marinas girls say we will carry on the tradition of Taft. Diba? Rina, let's go to you.
Yes, just a quick update on the health conditions of the two Lady Stag players. We have Gretchen Sultones, who is coming into this ball game not 100% okay due to a left strained hamstring. And of course, we also have Jeng Boli, who is also suffering from a recurring chronic right knee pain. But despite this, Coach Clint believes that the team is capable of winning this game. Meanwhile, for the Lady Stag, there are only 3 things important for them. First thing is to play it faster. Second is patience. And thirdly is to focus on the game. Kasi nga, ang sabi sa akin ni Coach kanina, karamihan dito sa mga bata niya ay galing sa mga summer classes. Kaya baka nung first set, wala pa ang mindset nila dito sa larong ito. Back to you guys.
Posible. At saka alam mo yung sakit-sakit. Before the game, masakit.
Yes.
Pag game time, wala na yan. In the meantime, Roses rams it against the block.
Marty Gunn, St. Roses, already running out of space, pero kinawit pa rin. Nautakan ng blockers ng UST.
Just so athletic, and she can contort her body in a graceful way. She can still score. In the meantime, UST handling the ball. Let's see the stab by Lastimosa. It's still playable. Up, ayaw ni Jeng paluin. Alanganin. Tinusok. Balik. Balik pa rin. Free ball. Easy ball actually yan. Set sa kabila. Ay, wala. Masama ang set. Pinaluan. Lastimosa.
Ang bigat talaga ng palo. Bigat ng kamay. Look at this one.
Saan gusto niya? Malayo sa net, ha?
Well, so far, San Sebastian 4 attack points in this set. The same number for UST.
Bermano, soft stop. It stays down.
De Leon trying to get to that ball, but another miscue on defense.
8 serving against 10 here. Process. Lima kulangan. That'll stay down from De Leon. Whoop. Pumalag sandali. But nowhere to go.
De Leon challenging the blockers of San Sebastian. Yung bakod, sinira.
Hindi lang sa Sebastian maingay, pati yung UST sa kabila, maingay na rin.
Hindi naman kasi magpapatalo.
Oo nga naman. At saka summer, walang ginagawa. O, sige. 11-9. 9 will be serving. Servo Sultones is in play. Wally adjusted here.
Look at the adjustment of Jeng Boli, but UST taking care of that ball.
Gitna pinaluan. Kunin niyo yan.
Ito, wala ng adjustment. Kung hindi puntos ang kinuha nitong si Jeng Boli. That deserves a second look. Tignan niyo naman yan. Hindi mukhang slow-mo eh.
Yep. OG Maman was telling his blockers, dikit niyo yung block. Huwag yung alanganin, huwag yung pasuray-suray yung block. Jousted the net. Picked up by Buali. Downstairs we go. Buali got it into the air. Alsos Barriosep.
Oh my goodness. Talk about transition. Talk about transition. Ibang klase.
Ang slow mo nito.
Pwede bang 3 beses ulitin yun?
Ang slow mo dapat
Kuya
galing pagluhod eh.
Grabe. Ibang klase naman yung ginawa ni Jeng Boli doon.
Lumuhod, nagdasal. Ay, sinayang. Sultones sabi, ay, sorry.
Well, so far, Bermano and Lastimosa having 4 attack points each. Jeng Boli with 13 already. 24 attempts na ang ginagawa nitong si Jeng Boli. Oh, ang ganda ng pagkakaset na yan.
Down it goes.
That's the wrist action you want to see. Yan ang gusto mong makita. Carmela Tunay. Sila Angela Benting, they all have that eh. Yung hindi sila, kaya tuloy kahit hindi sila malalaki, ang effective nila sa open hitter.
Yes.
Eh, may pitik yung palo.
Kahit alanganin sa net, no, nakukuhang itaas at paluin at tutusok eh.
Kailangan
Oh, look at that.
once again, Carmela Tunay taking it.
Carmela Tunay's shot has made it 14-11. Mikasa is the ball that Rhea Di Maculangan is bouncing there. It's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Close to the net. Muntik ng touch of the net yun. Pinaluan.
Oh, good timing.
Reverse set. Hulog. Mga veterana naglaban-laban. Hello, hello. Apat na yun.
Grabe, yung reactions din yung mga girls natin from San Sebastian. Ang bilis ng pangyayari as Tunay now 7 attack points. Aiza Maiso having 2 at this point.
Long. But no, it's not. Sumalok, bumaba eh.
Oh, beautiful push coming from Jengbo Lee. Yan ang natutunan din ni Jeng, no, through time. Yung pag-base ng sarili niya. Dati nung mga unang dating niyan dito, yung talagang lahat pinapalo
Lahat
eh.
pinapalo.
Taas mo lang yung bola, papaluin.
Nicely done as Ortiz zips that inside the defense of San Sebastian. Lady Tigers growling loudly here, ahead by 4.